Cruise into the digital highway with MS Tech, unraveling technology, simplifying complexities. Stay tuned for your daily tech enlightenment.
Ever wondered which companies are leading the charge in India's thriving CNC industry? Today, we're delving into this fascinating world, comparing the top players that are shaping the future of computer numerical control. First up is Jyoti CNC Automation Limited. Based in Rajkot, Gujarat, Jyoti stands as one of India's foremost CNC manufacturers. With a firm focus on innovation and precision, Jyoti offers a wide range of products, from turning centers to vertical machining centers, all designed to enhance productivity and efficiency. Next on the list is Ace Micromatic Group. This Bangalore-based company has carved out a reputation as one of India's largest CNC machinery manufacturers. They are known for their impressive product range that includes CNC lathes, milling machines, and grinding machines. Their commitment to quality control and customer service has made them a sought-after name in the industry. Then there's Lokesh Machines Limited. This Hyderabad-based company has been a stalwart in the CNC industry since the late 70s. Lokesh Machines Limited specializes in high-speed CNC machines, with a significant presence in the automotive sector. Their dedication to innovation and technological advancement sets them apart. Bharat Fritz Werner Limited, or BFW as it's more commonly known, is another major player in India's CNC industry. Hailing from Bangalore, BFW has been a leader in manufacturing high-quality CNC machines since the 60s. Their commitment to innovation is clear in their diverse product range, which includes everything from CNC lathes to multi-axis machining centers. Lastly, but by no means least, is the Yamazaki Mazak India PVT Limited. Though a subsidiary of a Japanese company, Mazak India has its manufacturing unit in Pune and has made a significant impact on the Indian CNC industry. They offer a wide range of high-quality CNC machines, including multitasking, 5-axis, milling, and turning machines. To summarize, India's CNC industry is a competitive landscape filled with companies pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Jyoti CNC Automation Limited, Ace Micromatic Group, Lokesh Machines Limited, Bharat Fritz Werner Limited, and Yamazaki Mazak India PVT Limited, each with their unique strengths and specializations, stand as the top CNC companies in India. They continue to innovate, improve, and inspire, shaping the future of the CNC industry in India and beyond. The commitment to quality, innovation, and customer service among these companies is what makes them stand out in the industry. And so, as the world of CNC continues to evolve, these companies are the ones to watch, leading the charge in a rapidly advancing industry. Their influence and impact on the CNC industry in India are profound and will continue to be for years to come.